Hey, and welcome back to part 5 of my devlog series, where I'm building my own Souls-like game in Unreal Engine. In this episode, we're tackling the very first base enemy and setting up some of its core behaviors. As you can see, I've already created a basic enemy that can follow the player. But right away, I ran into two major issues. First, the enemy had no animations at all, and second, it was moving way too fast, making it impossible to create any distance to heal or reposition during combat. I spent some time adjusting the AI. Now the enemy doesn't instantly detect the player, but instead only becomes active once you enter a specific radius around it. I also tweaked the movement speed so that you now have a proper chance to back off, recover, and prepare for the fight. Next, I started working on animations. The enemy now has a basic walk cycle when chasing the player, and uses the same placeholder combo attack we implemented earlier for the main character. It's not final, but it already makes a big difference in how the combat feels. After that, I added a health bar system and gave the enemy an actual health value. I also equipped it with a sword that uses the same sword trace logic as the player's weapon, so now it can actually deal damage to you, and you can kill it as well. Once its health reaches 0, it dies and collapses using ragdoll physics. There was just one last bug I had to fix. I forgot to disable the sword trace on death, so even after the enemy had died, running into its weapon would still deal damage. But that's been fixed now. Asterisk, I'm still pretty new to game development and Unreal Engine, so a lot of what I'm doing is based on experimenting, watching tutorials, and learning as I go. This project is a huge learning journey for me, and I'm constantly improving step by step. If you have any feedback, suggestions, or tips, feel free to share them in the comments. I'd really appreciate it. And if you want to keep following along as this Souls-like comes to life, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.